If you've been posting on YouTube and your channel still isn't growing the way you know it should, it's not because you're doing anything wrong. It's because you don't have a real system. And that's exactly why I created Creator Elevate. This is my complete step-by-step YouTube growth program where I show you how to build your channel, structure your content, increase your views, and get monetized in 3 to 6 months. You're not guessing, you're following a proven roadmap. And to make it even easier, you also get access to my brand new SEO app, Creatio, which optimizes your titles, descriptions, and tags so your video finally ranks and reaches the audience you deserve. This is the program that elevates everything about your creator journey. Let me show you the app. This is the app. It's called Creatio, like create SEO. So what you will do is put in a topic, main keywords, the audience you're looking for, and then you choose a tone you want your SEO to be. So I'm just going to put in a topic like how to create AI avatars. And then down in the main keywords, you don't have to put anything, but I'm just going to put AI avatars. The more descriptive, the more precise, the better results. And then you put the audience, which would be YouTube tutorials. And then your tone is either default or balanced, but there's curious, what if, bold, strong, promise, and step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to choose bold, strong, promise. Then you just click generate and then go down and it shows you 3 optimized titles and they also rank them. So to show you which one's best. So stop posting until you fix this AI avatar. You can generate as many times as you want. If you have access to this, it's free. You also get 3 SEO descriptions and it also ranks those too. It gives you the best one, which would be closer to 100. And then it also gives you 3 keyword blocks that you will either put in your description and also put in your tags. I use it on both. They are very descriptive and well thought out. I've been working on this app for a while now and I really wanted to help you guys with SEO. Because most of the time, it's not your videos, it's your SEO, it's your description, it's your keywords, it's your titles. So all you have to do is just click copy for whatever one you want. I am going to demonstrate it again. I'm just going to put in create AI stories. And then in the main keywords, I'm going to put AI and AI stories. And I'm going to keep YouTube tutorials. And then I'm going to choose default balanced. So then it gives me, again, 3 SEO title ideas. I love how they're ranked. I really thought that was a good thing to put in because sometimes it's hard to choose which one you want. So if they're ranked, you know which one's closer to 100 is bound to be the best. But it's your choice. That's why I decided to give you guys 3. I hope you enjoy the app. If you have any questions, just DM me. Join Creator Elevate today and unlock the full YouTube growth system, plus my new SEO app, Creatio, included. Premium members also get 25% off. Elevate your channel now.